It's 2025. No more being broke. I understand some of you are really busy. Maybe you have school, maybe you have work, or maybe you're just really lazy. So why should you start a side hustle? Well, there's financial growth. When you start a side hustle, you begin earning supplemental income. This is extra income on top of the job you already have. This allows you to pay for bills, and it allows you to put some extra money aside. It also gives you the opportunity for passive income. This means you can earn money while you're sleeping. There's also financial independence. This allows you a cushion in case you were to lose your full-time job. You have a backup plan. You have some money there for you. There's also flexibility. This allows you to work when you want to work. You set your own hours. You can work from anywhere in the world, and you are able to grow your business at your own pace. You can start small and grow bigger over time. It is also adaptable. As you learn and grow, you can keep adding on to your side hustles until you have multiple income streams. Starting a side hustle is a great idea for busy working people, for students, and for anyone who is looking to earn a little bit of extra money. Stick with me. I'm going to show you 3 of the easiest, laziest, if you want to call it that, side hustles to start. I'm going to showcase 3 side hustles today that require minimum effort on your part. Now, when I say laziest ways, I don't mean lazy as in you do nothing and you get paid. That's not what I mean. When I say laziest ways, I mean there is little time involvement. It's not taking much time in your day to do these side hustles. There's not a whole lot of mental or physical effort needed from you, and the flexibility is awesome. You are able to do it around your busy schedule. You fit it in where you can fit it into your day. And there is a great earning potential. However, that earning potential depends on you and how much effort you put into this. So you need to be there every day. You need to put the effort in. No, you're not working all day on this, but there needs to be effort, and there needs to be you stepping up and doing the things that you need to do in order to see this money come to fruition for you. The first laziest way to earn money online is selling your videos or photographs to companies like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. These companies will buy your pictures, and they are looking for high quality, well edited pictures or videos of generic things, lifestyle, work, travel, things like that. Why I consider this lazy? You already take pictures of your daily life, right? So you're just continuing what you're doing, taking pictures and simply uploading them to these sites. You upload a picture once and you have the potential to earn passive income for that photo for years to come. Lazy side hustle number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is where you are promoting somebody else's product and you are earning a commission every time you make a sale using your link. Commissions vary anywhere from 5% to 90%. You can look for opportunities for affiliate marketing on Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, or there's many others you can go with. You want to pick a product that you generally like or that your audience would like and purchase. You want to use social media to make everybody aware of this product that you are promoting. So TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, there's many. Just pick a platform and go with it. The reason I consider this lazy is because you need to just create one post on social media, and that post is out there forever, earning you passive income. The third lazy side hustle is selling digital products. You can sell ebooks, e-courses, templates, whatever you would like to sell. You would put that on Etsy, put that on your own website, and you would be able to sell that one item repeatedly. You would market yourself again on social media, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, whichever one works for you. Again, you are putting one piece of social media out there, right? And it is showing forever. It doesn't go away. So you have the potential again to earn that passive income. Why I consider this lazy? Well, you pick a product and then you just repeatedly sell that product. And there is no inventory to keep track of because it is digital. And here's a bonus tip. Why not combine the 3 lazy side hustles? Instead of just starting one, which you can just start with one, you could start 2 or 3, combine them all. This is going to help you earn more income faster. Some time management tips that I would recommend. Make sure you are using automations to help everything run smoother. It's running in the background while you're able to do other things. The other tip I would have is to block out a certain amount of time each day and dedicate that time to working on your side hustles. The key takeaways here. These 3 side hustles I just showed you are beginner friendly. Anyone can start them. Let me know in the comments below, which of these 3 side hustles would you like to get started on? Which one is calling out to you? Or maybe it's more than one. Let me know in the comments. I would be happy to answer any questions and to get you started on your side hustle journey. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.